I'm trying to solder wires to my G scale. Let's, for the sake of argument, just call it LGB track. It's not all LGB, different makes. And I've just bought a soldering iron, which claims to be rated at 175 watts. Don't know if you can read that on there. It's tip temp 500C. Now, I was getting close with a 100-watt iron. They're both the same style. This is an Antex 80-watt, so it's a good make. Now, and you can buy Weller and Antex even bigger classic soldering irons. The only thing is, the idea of having an iron that was instant heat and then when you release the trigger it cools down again seemed a lot safer for me if you're wandering around the track, rather than a huge beast which is going to be permanently on, more or less, and chugging out 150 watts or more. I thought, well, why did I estimate 150 watts? And this is the ignorance that I have. I found that if I use that and that at the same time, this 100-watt one and this 80-watt one, then there was enough heat to get the solder to flow onto the track. This 175 then, I thought in one machine would do it. And what I'm going to say is that it isn't doing it. Now, in addition, I have tried the torch. That does it. The only problem with this thing is it tends to melt the sleepers. I can't seem to use it in such a way that I get the solder flowing and the sleeper's not melted.